Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. So today our group will going to present about material selection of our glider. So to start, my name is Nuri Adriana binti Muhammad Yunus, matrix number 207574. So for introduction, glider is a non-powered aircraft which does not depend on the engine. Mostly, it does not have an engine, but motor gliders have small engines. In order for the glider to fly, the lift must be produced to oppose its weight. When talking about gliders, the most important aspect is the materials. So each component must be deeply analyzed in order to choose the best materials for that part.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening to Doctor and our fellow friends. My name is Nur Amiruddin bin Nur Azlan, and my matrix number is 208062. So for my parts, I will explain about materials that we use and its properties. So my group have decided to use three different materials. The first one is titanium alloy. Titanium alloy has a good resistance to corrosion and high fatigue and tensile strength. The third one has good fracture toughness and self-heal. So the second material is aluminum alloy. For aluminum alloy, it popular with its lightweight and recyclable, uh, thermal efficiency, and has a good tensile strength. The last material is carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is stronger than steel, and it also have a good corrosion resistance. And lastly, it has superior fatigue strength. That's all for me. Thank you.
Yes, I'm Sean. My metric number is 201703. Next, I will give a speech on the specialty part of our group decision context. The glider decision is made of high stress and lightweight materials. Structural materials are mainly made of carbon fibers, aluminum alloy, and other advanced materials. Like the wing surface is molded with high precision, highly polished and coated with gel coating. The purpose of the decision is to reduce resistance and improving due to the different force on the upper and lower surface of the wing. The wing skins use super hard aluminum and with good compression performance and hard aluminum with good tensile and figure purposes respectively. The glass in the cockpit is a special weightation glass. The rubber surface of aircraft tail is made of carbon fiber banded with wear resistant and high temperature resistant special materials. That's my speech on the specialty part of our group decision context. Thank you, Miss.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mu'taman Muhammad. My matrix number is 204848, and I will be talking about the function of our glider and why I believe it will work. I believe our design is really special and will work for mainly the use of composite materials such as carbon fiber. So the use of carbon fiber is the use of strong lightweight construction materials. So it has made it possible for gliders to be designed with stronger and more robust wings to allow high-speed flutter-free flight. In my opinion, our design will work. Gliders are designed to have skins that are as smooth as possible, along with the most other aircraft, to allow the plane to pass through the air more easily. However, additional drag is created by rivets and seams needed by aluminum skins, which tends to reduce performance. We use composite materials such as carbon fiber as alternatives in our glider instead of the aluminum skin. So, composite materials allow our aircraft designs to build structures with shapes that generate less drag, that are seamless and rivetless. Thus, we can say that our design will be easier to fly and more efficient. This means that the use of composite materials such as carbon fiber improves the aerodynamic performance. Secondly, the carbon fiber reduces the number of parts. Since carbon fiber composite parts are shaped, each form can be planned with the goal that few unique parts are consolidated into one shape. Along these lines, altogether diminishing the quantity of parts expected to construct our lightweight glider, with less segments expected to fabricate the glider, less assembling time is likewise required. Besides, in light of the fact that carbon fiber parts weigh less, the flight will be unchallenging. That is all from me, and thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Chi Teng. My material number is 206410. So next, let's talk about the benefits of our modified flying gliders. So based on the advantage that the materials that we mentioned before, we have the three main benefits for the our modified glider, which are environment, cost, and safety. And when these three main benefits that provide to our gliders, to our models, and it will become a choice for the sports and also for pilots training. Let's talk about the pilot training. Because of this flying gliders is almost the same as an aircraft, so it is a very suitable model to for pilots to get this flight simulation. When these two activities bring out, it will bring out the next level of the benefits, and this phenomenon we call domino effects. When there's a need, they will have a race or competition on the technology. So when the gliders is become a sports, there will become a race or a competition in the technology. So the technology is upgraded and advanced. And by this, we can improve our country's economy by all that things. And when the economies of the country is improved, job opportunity will be created. So we can see this is the benefits of this modified is actually a domino effect which bring to become some activities, and then the development in technology, and the economy of the country. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
So moving on to the last part, which is environmental impact. So for the first material, aluminum alloy is recyclable, which can be melted down without losing its consistency. Thus, it can be used for future use. It also has a longer lifespan. For example, aluminium scandium alloy that has a higher tolerance to fatigue growth compared to other alloy. Next material is titanium alloy. It has a low toxicity, which is safe to the environment. Next, it is easy to recycle and environmentally friendly. Titanium alloy has a resistance corrosion, which able to lessen metal loss and energy input for repair and replacement, which able to reduce more energy work. And last materials is carbon fiber. It has a longer life cycle compared to other materials. It's also recyclable. For the recycling method, it uses a process called pyrolysis, which carbon fiber is heated on an oxygen-free atmosphere. And lastly, less carbon dioxide gases are emitted as carbon fiber is light, so it will influence the fuel consumption for the glider. So that's all from us, group 2. Thank you.